What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we're going to show you how to take these speakers out and install your own speakers on your 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic, which is different than the other Dodge Ram 1500. So this will be a different install. If this is your first time tuning in to the channel, please consider subscribing, because this is the type of stuff that we do: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that type of stuff, speaker install. Let's just go ahead and get on into it. First thing you want to do is come up here to this piece. All right, so we're just going to take our panel removal tool, stick it behind there, and we're just going to pop that off right there. That's held in by two clips. Next thing we want to do is take a lower profile, and we want to take that piece off. So I happen to have one right here in my pocket. Just going to stick it behind there and pop that little piece off. After we do that, we're going to have one Phillips screw that we need to take out, so we'll go ahead and take that out. All right, guys, so now that we have that one Phillips head screw out, we can take that flat profile again, and we'll stick it behind here and just kind of pop this off. It's only held in by these little, these little clip things. That piece is going to come out. Very important that we take that whole piece out. All right, so next we need our T20 Torx bit. I actually don't need the drill part, and I'll show you why. But you have one, two, you have two on the bottom, so that's three, and then that's four, and then we also have 5 and 6. Now once we actually take these out, this will actually these are all the screws that's actually on this door panel. Everything else would just lift straight up. Now the reason I say that you don't actually need the drill for this is because these are not metal screws. These are little plastic push pins, so I can actually take the bit, come here, and just twist it with my finger, and you see it starts to twist off a little bit right there. Once it gets about right there, you can actually just pull that whole little piece out. Once that piece is pulled out, we can take our low profile again, come up under there, and then pull that little piece, and you see the little push pin. So like I said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just knock the rest of these out. So the reason I don't really like using the drill on these is because sometimes when you use the drill, it's almost too much power. That thing would just keep spinning, and if it's just spinning in place and it's not actually coming out backwards, and sometimes even though we want to go in reverse, we're pushing the drill forward, and it's just going to keep it in place, not actually moving it backwards. So if you can do it by hand, or if you can lightly do it with the drill, do it that way, but just do whichever way is more helpful for y'all. All right, y'all, so now that we have all that out, we are just going to grab this right here, pull up, and drop it down. And like I said, there goes that speaker. Now we do have this harness that's right here up under here. It doesn't necessarily give you that much space to try to take it out. Here, let's see if we can press that button. Oh, it do. Okay, I know those other doors, they don't really give you a whole lot of space, but on that driver door it does. And now we have to take that out. So this is very unusual. I think they're actually using like a 5mm socket. Yeah, so it's a 5mm socket, so I'm just gonna take these 4 out. Now that we got those out, take that harness, plug, boom, straight like that. Now, like I've been telling y'all all my life, that we are going to hook up our speaker harness, which is going to make this whole install easier. Why? Because we don't have to figure out what's positive, what's negative. All we have to do is plug this on here and then plug it to our aftermarket speaker, and we're going to be done. Literally the plug and play. All right, y'all, so this is what I was talking about. Speaker harness, literally one hand. Oh. Boom. White for positive, black for negative. Goes on the back of our speaker right here. Go ahead and get that plugged in. So we see it plugs in perfectly right there on the back of our speakers. And now all I literally have to do is put this inside here and then use the same 5mm screws that came with this to mount that back. Other than that, this whole install is pretty much done. The thing that I do want to say is that as far as your front doors and even your rear doors on these trucks, is that these are a little bit shallow, which means this little piece right here is attached to your window track. So you need a speaker that's going to have a very small magnet. That way it will fit in there perfect, and it won't be actually bowed out a little bit. Alright, y'all, so that's what it looks like when it's all said and done, man. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Till next time, this is your boy JP, signing out.